This is Raina with LYLO Crafts coming on for two things. The first is a VR for Solae Craft. She's holding a challenge giveaway. And then the second is that this is my entry into hashtag Sapmore Minks, which is an open collaboration hosted by Jill Norwood. I'll put a link to her channel in the description below where you can share anything that you have been working on. And I have been working all morning on this entry for Solae Craft. And you need to submit an ATC card plus two other things, all crafter's choice. You can do journal cards, lace, embellishments, sequins, anything you would like. She is asking, though, for no gnomes, no owls, and no scary, okay, because she doesn't do scary for Halloween. But other than that, it is crafter's choice. And so she's in Australia. But I thought my post office said they could not send unless it was express mail. But I saw that Liana from It's a Deal sent her some flat mail. So I worked on my entry as flat mail, and I'm going to try and send that, and I hope it all gets through. So I wanted to start off with, here is my ATC card, and you guys know that I've been trying to use this acetate, right, for all my ATC cards because I have so much of it, and I have had it in my stash for a while. So I put on this sweet little deer that someone gave me. I just love it. I just added a blingy bow to her, and I put this little sentiment down here that says, "Hey you," and just to say hello, and I like that the gold tied in with the gold. And then on the back, I just made a little pocket, and you can see it's silver polka dots on the back and gold on the front. And then I just put all my information inside here and then just stuck that in. So that's my ATC card. And then I have been getting into journaling, and I know she loves to journal as well, and she makes the most beautiful journals and embellishments and beads. She is such an incredible crafter. I will put a link to her channel in the description below. If you don't know her, you really need to follow her because she is amazing. And so I wanted to create some journal cards, and I have been learning how to sew, and I know that she does sew. So I just wanted, especially since I'm sending her flat mail, I just wanted to add a little bit more. And so here's my first journaling card, all layered up. And then this is the first time my little zigzag stitch worked out. So so I've got that one. Then I've got this pretty music paper layered up with a bird cage and a butterfly and hearts. And this time just stitched around with a straight stitch, and the back side says "Follow your heart." So there's that one. Here's this one, which is like, you know, words in the background, and I used a silver doily, and then I just added some little ephemera to the front, and then again did a straight stitch, and the back says "Every day brings a new story." So there's that one. And then the last one is another one that has some zigzag on it. And this one says, "The little things are often the biggest things." And I think that is so true. And I just added just a couple little flat embellishments to those. And then for the embellishments, I'm sending her, I just finished stitching these this morning, these two little envelopes, and then because it has to be flat, I'm going to send them plain like this so she can go ahead and decorate the fronts of them. And then for her journal, I'm also going to include some little tabs that I made for her. So that is it. That's my project share, and please go and check out Solae. And for all of you, subscribe to my channel. I so appreciate you, all my thumbs up givers. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. And I hope you guys have an amazing day. Bye-bye.